So in today's video, we have a beautiful four-sided brick ranch right behind me, four-sided on an acre lot. I'm gonna spin around just to show that this neighborhood has sidewalks, so you can actually walk your kids in peace, or just walk down your neighborhood in peace without having to worry about a car hitting you. Also, look behind me how far each house is spread out from one another, and they're all brick. So what you're buying is quality. You also have a corner lot. You are a Tom Brady football throw from County Line Elementary School. And then look at this level driveway, so much room for parking. And notice as we get closer, the front yard is obviously very beautiful. You have a two-door garage and then a service entry door here. And then this is plenty of space for additional parking, even a basketball goal if you wanted to put a basketball goal up. Look at the new HVAC unit. I know you see that. All right, keep coming around. Now this is the walkway. And of course we have the pleasure of filming in the rain today. So think about it. It's kind of a blessing that we get to see it in the rain, because if it looks this good in the rain, imagine the summertime, imagine the wintertime when it looks just even better. Oh, and plus, before we go inside, you're right between 85 and 316, and then you're right off of 53. There's a brand new Northeast Georgia Medical Center, and you're about 5 minutes from like the downtown Winder, where you're gonna have Smokin' Po' Boys, arguably the best restaurant ever. You have Fort Yargo 10-15 minutes away. You have Victor Lord Park if you play sports. Like this is like the heart of like where you want to be. And it's a super clean house and smells incredible. And that's probably gonna be the first thing that you notice whenever you come check it out. It smells so good. All right, come on in. Okay, so right when you walk in, you have right behind me the living room. To your left, we have the formal dining room. And then to your right, we have an office space. So the office space has 2 windows in it, so plenty of natural sunlight as you get to work or do your thing, work from home or play video games, whatever your thing is. And then back here is where the family can all meet together, and you could even do an 8-seater in here, plenty of space, china cabinet here. But look at this living room, high ceilings, connects with your kitchen, but it's still like separated, so you still have that traditional feel of like an old style, beautiful 4-sided brick ranch. Everyone can surround themselves right around the TV, the fireplace. Beautiful mantle, the beautiful stone. You get the breakfast nook. Eat dinner here and watch your kids go play out in this big backyard that you're gonna see in a second. It's massive and it's flat. And the septic tank is on one side of the yard, so you can actually build a pool on the other side if you really wanted to. But you don't get to see that just yet. Kitchen, countertops, beautiful, updated. Sink, very nice, stainless steel appliances all across. Pantry, and then laundry room connects to your kitchen. There's even a sink. How often do you see sinks nowadays? This goes into the garage. And then here's another storage unit. Could be a second pantry. This is probably where you're gonna put like your air fryer, your toaster, your KitchenAid mixer, all the other fun stuff. This side, we're gonna show off the master bedroom first. Look how big this is. Plenty of space. You can do a California king and still have plenty of room. Then you have a sitting area, enjoy some coffee, watch your kids play, or just watch outside in nature while you sit. Even, actually I'm not gonna show you that. That part's really cool. So back here, this is a bathroom. You got a closet, big walk-in closet. Then you even have a linen closet right here. Double vanity with a section where you can put in a seat for makeup. You have a tub, and then you have a tile walk-in shower that has plenty of space for 2-3 people. Toilet room here. Now, this is what I was gonna show you, is this walks right out to the covered back porch, but I'll show you that in a second. So we're gonna show the other 3 bedrooms, and then we're gonna check out the outside, just to conceptualize where you're at. Again, here's the kitchen, the breakfast nook. We just come right out of the master bed. I'm gonna walk this way instead of through the living room, and again, show off the formal dining. And again, this flows right to where this office would be, the front door. And then the back side is where you have the 3 bedrooms. They're still packing, okay? So like, forgive them. They're still packing, can't do anything about it. They're trying to clean the house up for you so that whenever you move in, it's nice and pretty. So in this room, again, plenty of space. This could even be a king size, really easy. It's painted blue, very traditional. Big closet this side. Again, more closet space here. And then another very big bedroom. Closet just as big as the other side. It's just a perfect mirror of one another. And then on this side of the hallway, extra storage here, tons of storage. You got this big bedroom all the way back here, a massive closet on this side. And then here's the special part. I'll see you in just one second, because it's kind of like an ensuite. It walks right into here. Your own vanity, own bathroom, shower, tub shower combo here. But again, this is super cool. Again, walk straight out to the back porch. So it's like its own ensuite. Perfect for like a mother-in-law type situation, mother-in-law suite. These 2 bedrooms can connect easily with this bathroom. You could also lock this bathroom, and this guy has their own bathroom that can be private, and their own private walkout straight to the back deck. I'm not gonna go out that way. I'm gonna go out the living room way. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, so again, just to show off where we're at, kitchen on this side, breakfast nook on this side, and it walks right out to the back porch. The back porch is arguably the best part in the whole house because you have this covered portion where you can escape the sun, and then you have plenty of space over here, maybe even space for a TV if that's what you wanted to do and wire it this way. But it's double use because you can even have this portion that's uncovered to do grilling, however kind of cooking you like to do, you can do it out here. We have the pleasure of seeing it when it's raining, so imagine seeing it whenever it's hot and sunny. But this backyard is massive and it's flat. So think about how you could throw a perfect football, you can throw a baseball, you can play wiffle ball, or you can play a football game. Like, you can literally do whatever you want. And then think, you put a basketball goal up there, you have 4 different sports inside your house. And then while your kids are enjoying sports, you can enjoy gardening and have your own tomato plant or peppers plant or jalapenos, whatever you enjoyed to do. Again, this is the part I was talking about. Septic tank is about right here. All of this space is probably untouched for a pool, but if you really just desire a pool, you can put it all in this space here. And then guess what? You still have room to play football, to play baseball, to play wiffle ball, all back here. You can literally do it all. So I'm gonna do the outro in the covered portion. I'll see you in a second. So if you're looking to make a move here, well, you're extremely close to County Line Elementary. You wanna be in between 316, 85, 53, right beside Northeast Georgia Medical Center, a hospital, 5 minutes from a hospital, 5 minutes from a hospital, and 5 minutes from arguably one of my favorite restaurants ever, Smokin' Po' Boys in downtown Winder. This is the place to be. Call or text me, 770-519-8145. That's my personal line. I will pick up, and I will see you.